They listened, they heard what we needed, they put it on paper, they listened to how we live.
Who wouldn't love that?
I'm Sunita Aluwalia, and this is my family. This is my daughter.
Hi, I'm Dimple Aluwalia.
This is Mama, aka Noreen, and Papa, aka Shwani.
I think so. It's going to be the first multi-generation home in Great Falls.
Actually, it started with me because Dimple was traveling a lot and I'm by myself most of the time. So Ashwani and Noreen thought, it might be a better idea if we all would stay together.
We really had to think through, how do we live as one household? How do they live as one household? How are we going to live as a combined household?
How do we make ourselves comfortable? How do we make ourselves healthy? And just function as a unit, but also independently. We also all need our space, including, I think, particularly Isa.
Yes. The process was actually very good, I must say. I mean, Tony and Francisca really designed the whole thing just the way we wanted it.
We went through a couple of different designs. I mean, we walked in initially and we thought, this is what we think we want. And then, and they put that on paper, and then we looked again, and then we thought, well, no, that's not really what we want.
The experience was phenomenal.
Yes.
We all got to discuss what our likes, dislikes are, make sure that nobody felt that they were having to sacrifice on anything. I don't think a single person, if anything,
None of
we
us
all were
sacrificed on anything.
coming back.
Yeah, got all we wanted.
Yeah, we all kept coming back with lists over and over and over, and then we iterated on it.
Everybody's needs were there, and the way the house looked was just breathtaking.
It's been an amazing experience with them, and they've become good friends.
Good friends now,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
It was fun. I liked it. Could see everything so clearly.
Don't be afraid to decide to custom build. If you've got a good architect and a good builder, I think the process can be really satisfying.
Anybody coming to AV Architect shouldn't hold back. Tell everything what they really want.
They are fantastic people.
Agreed.
Yes.
We truly enjoyed every
the whole
moment
process.
of it.
Yes.
Every moment of it. It gave us, through the journey from coming up with the idea, having that idea take shape. When you embark on it for yourselves, enjoy it. Enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
3 cheers for AV Architects. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray.